inside.
I see a green, yeah.
That means it's recording right now.
Okay, so how do I turn it off?
Quick press.
Thankfully, we only got the 5 right now.
Oh, really?
So you can almost make excuses.
It also means it's going to be the fastest one we have, especially on a nice warm day like today. It'll be a little bit quicker.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Almost landed right on it. Perfect shot.
I was like, why do I feel like this is really faster?
That one's definitely a little bit faster than the first one.
Definitely.
It's easier to get back right side up than it is to get upside down to begin with, so don't need to be worried about like getting stuck upside down. Like if you get upside down, go ahead.
I'm gonna be the little lady from Pasadena. Oh my god!
No, thank you.
All right.
Hold on to
Beverly.
this one, right?
Hold on to this tighter one. Yeah, perfect. All right, Beverly, you're good to step on down those steps and you'll be zipping before you know it. I can give you a hand if that helps.
Okay, now it's going right up my crotch now, so.
Oh, do you want me to?
No. Nope. Nope.
You sure? Okay.
Yep.
All right, you're good to head on over
Okay.
whenever you're ready.
I love you, honey. Okay. Whoa.
There you go, you got it.
What I say.
Full.
Let's do that again. Good job.
And climb, oops, someone up there. Right. Then head over towards me. All set. Yeah, so sometimes people just like, if people just really Gotcha. There you go.
Hello, everybody.
Nice. Yeah, I'm making an entrance.
Oh,
Come on up. Awesome.
what's new?
Yeah.
Man, I got you.
But I ain't got wings. Coming down.
Ask Chris.
It's the hardest thing.
You're good to go.
On? Yep. Oh my God!
But I'm doing it.
Yeah.
She's a crazy girl.
Yeah, she did awesome.
She said she's getting married next year. I hope so.
That's so exciting.
It's still possible.
Slide and you're in. Safe.
Did you go upside down? You see that was so fast.
It was fast. It was quick.
Lightning speed.
Did you go upside down, honey? No. Okay. I missed it.
I blinked.
Oh,
Yeah. No, it definitely gets tough once it gets steeper.
Oh.
Got it?
got it. That's where my legs work.
Oh, you got it. You get a few miles away, it starts looking more like this. This is a nice mature forest, what we have in here. Yeah, these trees will actually keep growing a while longer. Seems about 500, but they can grow up to like 1,000 or even 1,200 years old.
Oh, thank you, sir. Very kind of you.
Why, thank you, John.
No problem. I'm just going, guys.
What are these?
Oh, there's the giant leaves.
Yeah.